ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. Mandalam 8, Suktam 33. ऋषि मेध्यातिथि कान्वा देवता इंद्र छंदस बृहति गायत्री अनुष्टु वयं घत्वा सुतावन्दा 33.1. O destroyer of enemies, Indra, be praisers extracting Soma essence and spreading the grass for preparing the sacrificial place, serve you in the flowing of the purified essence, which is as pure as water. Sacrificers are praising Indra in this sukta. Soma could be any of the three types. Swaranditva sute naro 33.2. O provider of dwellings, Indra, eulogizing leaders of men, excluding that one, make sound in the recitation of Soma essence. Desiring extracted essence, when will you come to your asylum like a panting bull? They are praising, leaders of men are praising Indra and not Atma, because Atma is beyond words. When is Indra going to manifest himself? This is the essence of the Ruk. Kanvebhir Dhrushanava 33.3. O abundantly rich, very busy and clever Indra, please make visible abundant wealth for the praisers. Now itself we beg for the bold, tonic-colored form containing spiritual ray, the cow in this Ruk. By implication, the seer is imploring Indra to reveal truth Atma, which is being imagined to have a tawny-colored form. The self is really formless, colorless and matterless. Pahi Vyayandhasomada 33.4. O guest of intellectuals, sing hymns for that Indra who protects you, who in his delight of drinking the refreshing essence fastens the horses or spiritual light rays. At the same time, he is present in all born beings. He is the holder of Vajra and is possessor of golden chariot. Indra represents the universal manifested self, appearing as Jivatma in all living bodies, activating all of them. Golden chariot stands for the vehicle which carries Atma to these living bodies. Say drops of spiritual Soma carrying golden spiritual rays. 33.5. Yeah. Sushavya Sudakshina 33.6. Yo Thrushito yo that Indra who is having a good left hand and a good right hand, who is mighty, is intelligent, is the performer of many deeds, is the possessor of hundreds of riches, is the destroyer of enemy fortresses, is attacker of foes, is brave, is unchecked, is sought in the cutting of spears, is abounding in glory, is a mover. He is a giver of knowledge for powerful men, like a cow yielding milk. Many qualities attributed to Indra are listed in these two ruks. Cutting the beard may mean destroying one's ego. Ka im veda sute saja, 33.7. Who knows him who is drinking together the born beings? That one who is possessor of strong jaws, delighting in the drinking of refreshing essence, with his strength destroys completely the body, stronghold of Purusha. Does he uphold vital energy? Who really knows Indra's identity? This is the question. Jivatma cannot be known by sense organs or the mind. It is perceivable or felt by the internal eye. On realization of Atma, one loses his imagined connection with the body, which is like a well-guarded fortress of Atma. Vital energy comes from Atma only. Dana mrugona varana, 33.8. Like giving water to a thirsty forest animal, he upholds all living beings. O Indra, nobody checks you. May you come here for enjoying in these born things or hymns. You are great and you move with your own strength. Indra bestows Jivatma on all living creatures, which is like life-sustaining water. Rest of the rug is easily understandable. Ya Ugra Sannishruta. Sannanishruta. Ya Ugra Sannanishruta. 33.9. That abundantly rich Indra, who is not overthrown by his foes, and who is made ready for battle, hearing the hymn of the praiser, becoming bold, does not go away, but comes here. 33.10. Satyamitha Vrishedasi. 33.10. O terrific Indra, the truth is as follows. You are our shower of happiness. You have manly impulse and unchecked. You are heard to be shower of water. From both near and far, you are well known as shower of knowledge. Virshanaste Abhishavo, 33.11. O abundantly rich Indra, performer of 100 deeds, your rains are showers of desired wealth. Golden whip is shower of light. Your chariot is shower of rains. Your horses or rays of spiritual light are showers of knowledge. You are shower of happiness. Here, rains may symbolize Maruts, whip the lightning, chariot the cloud, and horses rays of spiritual light. Jivatma is considered to be the giver of ahambhava to a living creature. And this ahambhava is the enjoyer of happiness. 33.12. Vrusha Soda Sunotu Te. O shower of happiness, may your praiser a shower of praises extract essences. O mover along straight path, please procure for us wealth. O ascender of horses or maintainer of spiritual light rays. I uphold shower of praises for you, who is shower of flowing waters in the rivers. 33.13 Endrayahi Pitaye Madhu. O mighty Indra, please come for drinking this delicious essence containing Soma. Does this abundantly rich performer of good deeds Indra not hear our speeches, Vedic mantras and eulogies properly? Indra definitely listens to the praises of invokers. This is the answer to the questions which forms the second part of the Ruk. Vahandutva Raseshtama. 33.14 O destroyer of enemies, performer of many deeds, Indra, may horses or rays of spiritual light harnessed to your chariot bring the venerable you sitting in the chariot to this sacrifice by bypassing sacrifices of others, if any. Asmagamadhyantamam Stomam 33.15 O greatest among the great, brilliant protector of Atmiya Soma essence, Indra, please uphold our most intimate praise now. Our praises are for your delight. May they be bringers of happiness to you. Nahi shastava no mama. O praises that hero who 33.16 O praises that hero who guides us along the right path, does not take delight in ruling over you, me or anybody else. Indra, Jivatma, does not command people. Jivatma causes each one to exhibit one's own nature based on his level of ignorance or ahambhava. That is the implied meaning. 33.17 Indraschitha Tadabravit. Indra said that mind of a woman is not controllable. Also, her intelligence is said to be fleeting. This is an observation which means to be true irrespective of space and time. Shakespeare says, frailty, thy name is woman. 33.18 Sapti Chidha Madachyuta. The horses too are reeling with intoxication. They two together draw the chariot. In this way, kindling of the shower becomes superior. The body is driven by two spiritual light rays corresponding to Paramatma and Jivatma. Indra kindles spiritual knowledge, or Indra's light is not physical like that of Agni, but superior to it. We go to the last sukta, 8.33.19. Atha Pashyasva Mopari. O friends, look beneath and not upwards. Keep the 2 feet moving together. May your hinder part not seen. Then the woman becomes a seeker of Brahman. Looking downwards on the path that one follows, not being puffed up with false pride, and both feet moving purposefully towards the goal, meaning truth. Even a woman can become a seeker of Brahman. Here in these mantras, woman is to be taken as one having womanish characteristics and not as indicative of sex as such. This is a sublime suktam, definitely fit to be reflected upon. We go to the next suktam, 34. This is from Nipatithi. Kanva. Devada Indra, Chandas Anushtup Gayatri. Explanation is given below on ruks which may need it. Endrayahi Haribhirupa 34.1. O Indra, please come towards the good praise, hymn of appraisal. O possessor of right wealth, being ruler of the space and of such others, may you go to the space. Universal manifested self Indra is the ruler of 5 forms of basic matter, the space, etc., and all objects made up of these 5 basic forms. May Indra go back to the unmanifested state. This is implied by the second half of the ruk. The second half is being repeated in the first 15 ruks of the sukta. Atva grava Vadanniha Somi 34.2. O Indra, may the extractor of water, cloud, approach you making sound with battle cry. O possessor of bright wealth, being the ruler of space and of such others, may you go to the space. This part is being repeated again and again. Atra vinemi Atrahi Atravi Nemiresham Uram 8.34.3. The thunderbolt of this cloud makes noise there like a wolf attacking a young man. O possessor of bright wealth, being ruler of the space, etc., which is repetition. Atva Kanva Ihavase 34.4. O Indra, praisers are invoking you here for protection and for distribution of wealth. O possessor of bright wealth, this is repetition. Dadhamite Sutanam Vrishne 34.5. O Indra, we give you extracted essence as we offer the first drink for the mighty Maruts. Then the repetition, O possessor of bright wealth, etc. We go to the next ruk, 34.6. Smatpuram dhirna agahi. O Indra, possessing abundant wealth, please come to us. Having splendor everywhere, please come for our protection. O possessor of bright wealth, etc. Repetition. Anoyahi Mahemate 34.7. O highly intelligent Indra, possessing thousands of protections and many riches, please come to us. O possessor of bright wealth, etc. Repetition. 34.8 Atva hoda manurhito. O Indra, may Agni, who is praiseworthy among shining beings, is a sacrifice and is friendly to men, make you strong. The next part is repetition. O possessor of bright wealth, etc. 34.9 Atva Madachyuta Hari. O Indra, may your horses or spiritual light rays, as though reeling with intoxication, bring you here like a hawk being carried by its wings. O possessor of bright wealth, etc. Repetition. Aya Hyaya Avari Swaha. O Venerable Indra, please come here from all sides. This Atmiya Soma essence is being offered for your drinking. O possessor of bright wealth, being ruler of the space and of such others. Repetition. Anoyak Hubas Srutya. 34.11 O Indra, please come here towards this place among our eulogies and be delighted by it. Next part is repetition. Sarupaira Suno Gahi. 34.12 O Indra, endowed with horses or spiritual light rays having similar forms and which are brought together, please come to us. Next part is repetition. Second part, possessor of bright wealth, etc. 34.13 Ayahi Parvadebhya. O Indra, come here from mountains or clouds or from the summit of the sky. Second half, repetition. Anu Gavyanyashva Ashvya Gavyanyashvya Sahasra Shura Dardrihi. 34.14 O hero, please make firm wealth containing thousands of cows and horses for us. Repeat the second part, repetition. Ana Sahasrasho. 34.15 O Indra, procure for us unimpeded wealth by hundreds and thousands. O possessor of bright wealth, being ruler of the space and such others, may you go to the space. This is repetition. 8.34.14 and 15 The wealth implies light of spiritual knowledge which can be inferred from the three rigs that follow. Ayadindrascha Dadvahe Sahasram. 34.16 Yarudra Vadaramhaso. 34.17 When Indra and his excellent spiritual lights procured wealth consisting of thousands of horses and cattle. Those spiritual rays which are straight moving, are fleet as winds, and are quick moving, shine like suns. Those rays of spiritual light of Atma is similar to physical light of the sun. Indra's light bestows existence on material forms, including living and non-living objects, while the sun only illuminates them daily by his physical light. Last trick in this Sukta 34.18. Paravadasya Ratishu 34.18. In the gifts of that one from afar, in which the wheels are going quickly, we stay in the middle of a distant land. Implied meaning of this: these manifested forms appear and disappear quickly as though they have quick moving wheels attached to them. They are moving on the wheels of time. The seer of the Sukta realizes that sacrificers are really staying in the middle or abode of Atma, the unmanifested self, which is beyond space and time. We go to next Suktam 35. This is by Rishi Shyavashva Atreya, Devada Ashwinau, Chandas Uparishtha Pankti Mahabrihadi. The Suktam is a good sublime prayer Suktam of Mandalam 8. Most of the ruks in this Sukta are easily understandable, simple prayers. Agninendrena Varunena Vishnuna Adityai 35.1. O Ashwins, delighting together equally along with your companions Usha and the sun, may you too drink this Atmiya Soma essence with Agni, Indra, Varuna, Vishnu, sons of Aditi, Rudras, and the 8 Vasus. Most appropriately, Ashwins could be Jivatma Paramatma twin. Second half is repeated in the first 21 ruks of the Sukta. You see that most of lot of this is repetition. Vishwabhir Vishwabhir Dhivir 35.2. O swift Ashwins, you two delighting together equally along with your companions Usha and the sun, please drink this Atmiya Soma essence with all intellectuals, with all objects in the atmosphere, in the space and on the earth, and with the clouds or the mountains. 35.3. Vishwair Devais Tribhi. O Ashwins, you two delighting together equally along with your companions Usha and the sun, please drink this Atmiya Soma essence with 33 Vishwadevas. with the flowing waters, with marus and with kindlers of sound-producing fire or pragus. 35.4 Yushetham Yajnam Bodhatam Havasya. O bright Ashwins, may you enjoy this sacrificial oblation and take notice of this praise of mine. May you visit all sessions of our sacrifice here. This part is repeated. Delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun, you too please bring the desired wealth. Desired wealth in this rook and the next two should mean spiritual light or self-knowledge. Stomam Jushetham Yuvaseva. 35.5 O bright, brilliant Ashwins, please enjoy this spiritual Soma essence like young men accepting the call of virgins. May you visit all sessions of our sacrifice here, delighting together equally along with Usha and so on. Repetition. Giro Jushetham Adharam Jushetham. 35.6 O bright Ashwins, please enjoy this hymn and also enjoy this non-violent sacrifice. May you visit all sessions of our sacrifice, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun, etc. Repetition. Haridraveva patatho vanedupa. 35.7 O Ashwins, like a kind of two yellow birds flying down to the trees, please fly down to this Atmiya Soma essence. Like two buffaloes you visit us, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. Repetition. Along three paths could be spiritual, mental and physical, corresponding to the space, atmosphere and earthly. Hamsa viva patatho. 35.8 O Ashwins, like two swans or like two travelers, please drop down on this Atmiya Soma essence. Like two buffaloes, please visit us, delighting together equally along with Usha, etc. Repetition. Shena viva patatho. 35.9 O Ashwins, like two hawks you fly down on the Soma essence for an oblation offering sacrifice. Like two buffaloes you please visit us, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You too may come along three paths. This portion is repetition. Pivadam cha trupnutam cha cha. 8.35.10 O Ashwins, please come, drink this essence and become satiated. Please give us offspring and give us wealth, delighting together equally along with Usha and so on. Repetition. 8.35.11 Jayatam cha pra stutam cha pra. O Ashwins, please become victorious and protect the praisers. Please give us offspring and give us wealth, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. Repetition. Hatam cha shatrun yadatam cha mitrina. 8.35.12. O Ashwins, may you destroy enemies and marshal your friends. May you give us offsprings and give us wealth, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. Repetition. 35.13. Mitra Varunavanta Uda Dharmavanta. O Ashwins, you go to hear the hymn of a praiser in the company of Mitra Varuna, the enforcer of Rita and Marut, delighting together equally along with Usha, the sun and sons of Aditi. You too, please come. Law enforcer is often considered as Yama, shining beings, that shining being in charge of death. Angirasvanta Uta Vishnuvanta Marutvanta. O 35.14. O Ashwins, accompanied by those who are shining like burning charcoal, by Vishnu and by Maruts, you go to hear the hymn of a praiser, delighting together equally along with Usha, the sun and the sons of Aditi. You too, please come. Rubhumanta Urshana Vajavanta Marutvanta. O Ashwins, accompanied by skillful inventors, by the speedy showerers of rains, Marut, you go to hear the hymn of a praiser, delighting together equally along with Usha, the sun and the sons of Aditi. You too, please come. Brahma Jinvatamuta Jinvatam Diyo 35.16. O Ashwins, may you impel a seeker of Brahman and promote his intelligence. Please destroy all evil thoughts and drive away diseases, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You too, please drink the Atmiya Soma essence of the extractor of Soma. Kshatram Jinvantamuta Jinvatam 35.17. O Ashwins, please animate strength and favor the leaders of men. Destroy all evil thoughts and drive away diseases, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You too, please drink the essence of the extractor of Atmiya Soma. Thenu Jinvantamuta Jinvatam Visho 35.18. O Ashwins, please promote the cows and help the people. Destroy all evil thoughts and drive away diseases, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You too, please drink the Atmiya Soma essence of the extractor of Soma. Atrediva Shrunutam 35.19. O Ashwins, reeling with intoxication, may you hear the first hymn of the extractor of praise, who is a possessor of brown horse, which is like that of a devourer, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You too, please drink this, which is prepared day before. Brown horse quite often symbolizes the spiritual light of the self. Devourer is Atri, who could be one beyond the three bodies, or realizer of oneness. Alternately, Atri may mean one who is beyond three kinds of miseries. Sarga iva srijatam Sushtudirupa 35.20. O Ashwins, reeling with intoxication, may you hear the first hymn of the extractor of praise, who is a possessor of brown horse, which is being let loose like a herd of horses from the stable, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You please drink this, which is prepared day before. 35.21. Rashmiriva yachadam. O Ashwins, reeling with intoxication, may you too approach towards the knowledge sacrifice of a possessor of a brown horse, which is illuminating like rays of spiritual light, delighting together equally along with Usha and the sun. You too please drink this, which is prepared day before. Arvagratham ni yachatam 35.22. O Ashwins, please turn your chariot towards us and come. Please come to this sacrifice and drink this sweet Atmiya Soma essence. Desiring protection, I invoke you. Please give the best jewel to the offerer of praise. The best jewel in this rook and the next two imply rays of spiritual light. The second half of this rook is repeated in the next two rooks, 23 and 24. Namo Vage Parasthite Ayadamasvinagatam, etc. is a repetition of the second half. O leaders of Manashwins, please come for drinking this exuberant essence of the praiser in this knowledge sacrifice, which is made ready for paying homage to you. Please come. Desiring protection, I invoke you too. Please give the best jewels to this offerer of praise. 25.24 last look. Swaha Gridasya Trumpatam. The first half. Next one is Ayadamasvinagada, which is repetition. O resplendent Ashwins, may you be satisfied with the food and extracted essence offered to you. Please come here. Come to this knowledge sacrifice. Desiring protection, I invoke you. Please give the best jewels to this offerer of praise. With that, we conclude today's session. Viramasthava.